When you set your standards or you set your boundaries, people are going to say, oh, you think you're all that. I am. And I don't care. I am. And I don't need you to make me feel like I am. I'm going to set this standard, and I'm going to live by this standard. And I'm not going to let anybody come into my life, not even be a business partner, not be a marriage partner, not be a girlfriend, boyfriend, and pull me down to where you are.
Good evening. The biggest show is online. The Business Lounge with Gentleman Chopin is here. So before we get to the show, today's an exciting show. Today is it's a hey today we'll try to the now we last week I just want to give a shout out to my sister. Even though she called me, hey guys, she called me Business Lounge with Gentleman Chopin, and and we're like, how do we edit this thing out? It's Mashopani. So I wanna shout out to my sister Unati. She's been holding it down. Last week I was not able to come to the studio, but I know my sister got back. Tuwapi Lumusadi. She's part of the show. This show couldn't be complete without her. So I just wanna say, hey man, I know, like you're babes or radio matsatia. Babes or radio, you are doing these things on radio. Tips. I'm even nervous in my own show. I'm even nervous now to say, hey, how do I counter what you did? And I just want to shout out to Papilum Sadi. So if you guys want to anything, any company that want anything about wellness, somebody that can assist you with wellness knowledge, you know more often as entrepreneurs, we don't want to invest in our employees, and our employees are our first customer. That's the customer that we must service first before we. It's our internal customer. That's the customer we service before we go externally. So if you want to have your internal customers happy, please, they will do wonders for you. They will make sure that your employees are happy and they understand the culture that you want to build. Because business is not just opening doors, business let's build business. Like complain is that doing things that we are not doing. We ought to do simple things like, what is your culture in your company, and what culture are you representing? As part of and my brother here will concur with what I'm saying. As part of my Gibbs thing, like I'm trying this Gibbs thing, nah? I'm at Gibbs, I'm studying. Now I gotta put this to practice. I tell my guys, I send them to say, guys, tell me, I'm in a journey of personal development here. Tell me what are the things that I must stop saying. Stop that thing. Stop that thing. Now when I and when I stepped back and I had a reflection on it, what they were saying is true. Like what fela mafuko radio. So culture we cultivate the culture of respect. So cultivate the culture of respect young ko pyramid when na ke rogan. So bagaetso if le batla gore batho ba le thuse ka dilo tse di tletsang gore company ya lona e gone go na a generational business. Evan, we must build a business that can live beyond us, gents. Dire gore o tsamaile na ke ona moshara a gona motho a tsamayang ka business bagaetso azange ka re no re coffee na motho re tse stupu fale re tsenya fale re tsenya le business ka mogare aiyo maska le botsamaka a gona motho a tsamayang le business ya gae. Motho o bulaya business ya gae ntse a phila ka gore a gona succession plan, a gona batho ba bontshang ba trainang ba re no na bo fila a gona go bofa. hey motho lo bofile o etsang o na le noga if o itse o na le noga wa sa yo etsa noga eo no go get that snake go get that snake le wena go get that snake le wena gore o gone gore o tsebe gore no mara how can you say hey mama o na le noga wa tseba gore noga etsa tšhelete so wa sa ilate wena so I want to get mad at it's lies and then you are lazy. What's Sunday logo this weekend in about Trinity. Something like I'm fanolo mukutswanolo a na gore ke ena a go na le sengwenyana o na le sengwenyana sa eng sela telo na go stiba se go kae so guys let's stop these superstitions are berekeng guys let's work. Get away from superstitions and work. And then, ikopansele ba hatu wa pilo ko 073 944 4854. 073 944 4854. So, tonight, ke na le o se aka guys. O abone gore tsa boloi tse ditlampala. Are boloi bo tlampala na a ke batle boloi, a ke batle go bitswa ka boloi. Ke batla o ikeletsa something and more often ra re basadi ba khone kopana for ntho eling fruitful. She's flying against the current. I don't know nali as fifi re tla kopana la fela re tla lwana mo next door behind the scenes but we are going to have a common purpose to create something. And you know when I reached out to her and said, sis, don't you want to come to the show? It's because in this show we bring people that are inspiring. Her business is not too old, but her story is inspiring to me because she could have opted for no, it's something, sabo catering, sabo like cause she's in a event space was always in her face. And she was like, no, let me step out of this thing and do something else. You know, let me not do something that advantage ko gore ke da go spacing se. Maybe not sabatele re tla utlwa ba gaitso. Maybe not sabatele gore hey little hey oh what. But I've got my sister Lady Colleen. Ba bangwe ba me itse ka gore ke DJ Lady Colleen. Today ke Lady Colleen, the business owner. The co-owner of Lady Colleen and Fifi's Beauty Hub. No, you know when we get, Basadi is the force, guys. When we get two brilliant women saying Arkopane and Tuishap, they're not saying they don't have differences. But no, Arkopane, our unity is stronger than our differences. So more often, la jealous la no. Hey, when umushebe kolino, umushebe, fifi why is the fifi? Okay, they went beyond your gossip. Lonali busy la gossip for. Alena business la gossip for. You've got nothing to show for it. All you have, ke gossip, linse li crash the scalp, and Lady Colleen and Fifi's Beauty, Pala but there's a fresh, but dinner, soft. So, I'm bad, guys. You guys know that I'm bad with introducing people, and I don't even want to attempt to do it. I'm going to let my sister introduce herself. To Baritugo High. So tonight's show, guys, you must understand. Our sister is not going to be a once-off here. So her business is in the formative stage, and we're going to walk the journey. Answer So welcome, my sister. Welcome to the Business Lounge with Gentleman Shopani. And thank you so much for coming. And I know there's a lot of people that maybe followed you for your other activities, which you are going to talk about. And it will be so inspiring for them to hear the other side of you. you know, gore ba itse gore no. As a human being, I can do a couple of things. So please introduce yourself to our listeners.
My name is Lady Colleen. I'm a DJ and a co-owner of Lady Colleen and Fifi's Beauty Hub.
So take us through what's, because you're here today because of your business, which is Lady Colleen and Fifi's Beauty Hub. Give us a background of no thinking, no like no tsenela dilo fela. O batlang go stressing. This entrepreneur thing. Where did you think? You know, now I'm a farmer. I've got a farm, so I know there's a tick. Like not a farmer, like the Hatzvater, what. So when did this tick bite you of entrepreneurship?
Let me say I've been hustling, like doing this and that, and then I'm glad that I met Fifi, my partner, because she was my hairstylist. So I used to go salooning and I got to do like hairstyle so I would go there like hands get change. And then I think about he approached me, and then don't you think what's this? A beauty parlor. I was not interested.
Yeah.
And mind you, so last year was like there's this other prophet, he came to the church.
Yeah.
And he prophesied me about a beauty salon.
Yeah.
But interested like but I'm glad I met Fifi, then last year I was interested. And then this year I will happy, and then this thing because I mean you spend naturally like in a month go salooning.
Yeah.
So why I spend more salooning
Saha.
yes.
You know, you touched a very important point, and a lot of time we don't want to be in touch with our spirituality. And you're saying one of the forces that made you to take this idea, Yaha Aus Fifi, thing in terms of embarking in this entrepreneurial journey.
Yeah,
Italy.
I got a prophecy about it.
How is it important, because you know, entrepreneurs, like if mutatala matter an entrepreneur, you put a lao reo ampai tuna abri di Gucci to talk to it or abri all whitey aluko di clubbing yang anamajala. There's nothing spiritual about black, because like we must not shy away as black people. Who are our examples of entrepreneurs? Get it, tenderpreneurs. And I hate this word tenderpreneurs because it reduces people to something. It's those people that got there because of tenders, right? They're not tenderpreneurs, they're business people. Now, because they made their mistakes to make it to be like Otanzo Uneli, some big Bailey, the Gucci, the Watwati, and then there's nothing spiritual about that.
Yeah.
I need you to tell me, like, because you know spirituality keeps us grounded.
Yes.
Why is spirituality important for you, and why do you think it was the base for when
And now, like I think I got a mosip. Like I've always believed Mumudimung, and then he's the one who pleases thing. I pray a lot.
Yeah.
So I believe for last year, I now next. But then here I am, can't pay blue.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's very important, not because I'm a Christian anyway.
Yeah. So basically what she's saying, Moritz Kuhai, and we're not forcing all of you to be Christians. Yes. We're saying believe in something. Believe in whatever that you believe in, and have a center. Because if you got nothing that is a center to you, when the center is not holding, everything is in tatters. So there must be something in your life. What is the center of your life? What is the purpose of your life? Yeah. Have you ever asked yourself, Ka tsoga every day ka ja ka robala. What's your purpose? And what inspires your purpose, Bariti Kohai? Because I feel like Mudimu didn't bring us here on earth. I work in a space, Ausiakane.
Yes.
It's a funeral business.
Yeah.
One of the questions that I always ask myself, Kohori, why is there a stillborn? A stillborn is the baby that is being born and then doesn't get to see a day of light.
Yeah.
That person has not done anything. And then I'm confused. And then I move and I say, why is there a 8-year-old dying? They know at Pyramid that I don't even stock baby coffins. I don't. Because I've got no intention or no planning of burying a baby. You understand? Now, I go to my spiritual self to be saying, Mudimu, ke Mudimu. Why is it?
Yes.
And if I allow him to be God and I'm centered around him, then I must allow him to lead. Right? Now, if Mudimu never made you a stillborn, while you're being birthed, you didn't die when you were 8. Now, it means God has a purpose for you. But with everything that God does, because God put powers into us. There was there's this saying, why Hamudimona Lemata Sablai Satan? And then my pastor, Bishop Silwe, and our father, my grandfather, his father, my grandfather, Professor Mkize, answered this thing for me. And it opened my eyes to say, Modimo re file matla ya gore re kgona go defeata Satan.
Yes.
So if o itse gore o file bana ba gago sethunya sa gore ga le go du le tsena ka fa, why must you be the one patrolling the yard? So because we don't want to dip inside in our faith, and we don't like re bona dilo nje, like but TikTok or le bona dilo tse which have got nothing. We don't know anything, and even these days there is artificial intelligence. I can take a picture of you, smile like it's all.
Yeah, it's true.
I mean, they did it in the NBA last week. Yeah. In the NBA game, they wanted to influence people to think the team that was winning is losing. So everybody that was wearing the colors of that team, when they were laughing, artificial intelligence was making them to be crying. So, go to Facebook. And then you decide your whole life on that. And you don't have a center. That's why this faith is a center, sis. Because you spoke about, and I want to touch a little bit, because in this show, we want to touch on the human factor. Okay. On the things that we do as human beings, right? Yeah. Now, you are a DJ.
Yes.
Your husband is a DJ. And such lifestyle is not associated with someone that can be centered in faith.
Yes.
How do you guys now defy, how do you fly, how do you swim against the current? Because it's totally like what we see in people. Yeah. How do you do that? What in your upbringing or in your unity as you guys, and sorry to bring Abuti Reginald because
it's okay.
He's part of you.
Yes.
I had to bring him, and because it's so inspiring, Aker. Now, how do you guys now remain grounded in faith?
Because like I said, like we've always considered like, and we've seen the Mudima and so on. I mean, how do you have to have faith again? How do you so we've always prayed together. And I know but we are Christian, but yes, but I always say only God can judge me as long as so
and I'm gonna go off. So in this show, there's a show that's coming after us. It's a spiritual show. So normally they say I take their boys, and I can't help it because I'm a spiritual person. Yes. I believe in my ancestors. I believe in God.
Yes.
I believe in the fact that there is a super being that is taking care. You know, when people ask me, I was talking to Tandeki lady, I was very angry yesterday talking to her. And I said, you know, whatever that people can try to do, but you know, they will want to take Pyramid down or do me down. Lena gets Lena, even if I wish to because I don't even know how I'm doing that thing, because there is a super power that is directing me, and I believe my grandfather Komakwati Resimatima Chopin is that person. That's my belief. That's what I believe in. I believe God empowered him to be saying, be the guardian for this one. So, hey, we're done with that one. Let's go to business now. Let's go to business. So, Lady Colleen and Beauty's Beauty Hub. Didn't under. What's happening?
Well, we sell weaves, lady bundles, and we body nails. Were like bana, like everyone.
Okay. So, you know, it's so intriguing that you chose to be in a partnership, right? Where ordinarily you will say, I can go alone. And I didn't choose to be in a partnership with anybody else but another lady. How are the dynamics? How do you guys manage this dynamic? Because most of the time, as black people, hey, basadi ga mo go na le basadi teng. Quali you. And I want to choose not to believe that.
Yeah.
Mpulele call you one.
Okay, kopo. Kobanga ya something Fifi has mosadi. Yes.
Oh, Fifi's a man.
Yeah, he's a guy. So
Hey, bana. Okay. So, okay. What's his full name? Refilo.
Kirifilo, yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, no. So the balance is there.
Yeah. I be dali ya loke itimela wana li peace and yeah, basadi.
You know, guys, the business lounge is that part of radio where we have conversation. We don't have interviews here, but we have got conversations where we get your person or meeting, your approachable person. I mean, somebody who meeting or how inspire or so we are go at break now, and then we're gonna come back, and then we're gonna talk more about Lady Colleen and Fifi's Beauty Hub, and there's still a lot that you're gonna learn about, guys. Tune in. Don't change the dial. Welcome back to the. I know about it. No what the pyramidary dia kadi uska okay. Let's say. So now we're here. We're back. I think because like our show is giving you a lot of content, guys, and then a lot of content that is good for your life. Regarding vitamin B, the vitamin C, calcium. Do not tell me it's about talk. I'm milling. Mara mele business. So, sis, now you are in a partnership with Fifi, our brother Fifi. Now, how are the dynamics of being in a partner? Because ordinarily people are very selfish to be saying I can't go in a partner. And I think one of the things that we learned at Gibbs, and I'm gonna give my brother a chance to talk. I'm gonna keep, hey guys, I'm studying at Gibbs. I must keep on. Hey, kids, I look Gibbs is gay, like guys. I'm at school. I'm studying at Gibbs. Got an Institute of Business Science. So you'll hear this Gibbs thing there. So, what are the dynamics of being in a partnership?
Like I said, so
Yeah.
you feel like Mudimo for you know what, God. Like it's last year this happened, I had this, and then Motukio, like he came to me, approached me, and then like it's a partnership lane. So it means for there must be something there.
Yeah.
So I'm glad for like he pushes me a lot. I'm grateful for Fifi because one pusher, and we pray at Babotle, like yes.
That's beautiful.
Hagile down like can I lift and be like pusher like Colleen Emella Mosadi Emella. So like it's good to have a partner like Anna. So and I don't want to be negative. Kere ko pele ba, only God knows what's gonna happen. Ko pele ba.
Yeah, let's let
But
God decide whatever that happens.
in
But
20 plus, you know what, Modimo can ask man ko pele ba, but for now let me just do ntho e tsagalang nou yana. Yeah.
so, and because like a lot of times we don't want to appreciate, we get complacent about our partners, and I love what you just said to say, you guys with Fifi, you guys pray together. I mean, I'll look at your statuses and then I will get inspired. And I think I responded to one of the statuses when I said you must come to the show, because you were saying you said look at God, what is doing currently, and I was like, okay, if we're gonna have a business based on faith, and it's got not only on faith but something that has got a foundation. Ya gore re lela ko kae. At least let me allow that opportunity for bana ba bangwe gore ba utlwe gore ba ka etsa jwang. Now, but the we're here now. I want to give your beauty parlor some airtime now. What's your specialty there? Why must now kitwe mo ki etsa merero ko teng?
Oh,
Even if you get toilet or the colleen. Hey, ngwana ke la sa tshameke pena ke ratang ke tse ke batla se Java you know busy ka mo kwanti wa Pitori. Why must I come to you?
you know, one thing about Fifi, it's a miracle month because I don't have my business in and it's like one store la with some. So and then keep on the little comment because we post a lot.
Yeah.
So
Hey, you posted a lot to be on radio.
Yes. So like
Yeah.
you see, okay, fine, this person is doing good, so I mean, why not?
So Mara, as a customer, ga ke tla ko lona, what is it that I must expect? Because you know, I normally say to people, everybody can bury, but we're not in a burial business as Pyramid. We are in a counseling business. That's why we strive to be innovative, to say, what is it that sets us apart? Recently, with our brand ambassador, President Gay, we've got a aftercare program where we go to the families after our kids to say, nobody's doing that. And anybody that's going to do that, or copycat, you're behind me. You must wait up until I think for you to copy. So there's a lot of saloons, a lot of, you know, last week we interviewed my brother, Ompile, innovative. He's in the salon business too. He's got a beauty a salon for babies. Go Greystone Mall. It's so inspiring. Like when I look at those stories, it's so inspiring. Like you look at a product and then you think outside of, because you are a mother.
Yeah.
How many times do you think like, he thought like, why can't I create something selling special for ban? And then now with Lady Colleen and Fifi's Beauty pal, how are you guys setting yourself apart? Because there gotta be something that you guys define yourself out of the pack, because everybody's just doing.
Yeah. You know, Starter Salon most one is a very busy street. It's not the salon settings. And then we spoke with them, you know what? I know how to competition, but we're not here to compete with anyone.
Yeah.
We're doing our own thing. So how would Lamudit lines saying, I mean, have a first we got twin treatment by editing. It's a full able to check what about sharp or back to face the guy on after for like we communicate, they want to create that friendship. You understand?
So you're not just a transactional business. You know, this is very important, because as business people, how do I know so long daring and king.
Yeah.
Like it's daring a king outside your chalet. I am done. American listen, no refunds.
Yeah.
And you guys are saying you're gonna even go beyond that and call a client to say,
Yeah.
we did your hair. Was it to your satisfaction? Do you like the way we did it? And I'm sure you don't only ask that question. If I say no, I didn't like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4 is not nice. You come back, say, come back, let's
Yeah.
fix it. You know, I love the brand Macos. I'm wearing. Let me promote them. One thing I like about them is, if now I can go out of that door and then something tears this thing out,
Yeah.
I just take it to them and say, tear it out. They say no, we'll repay it for free, because they take ownership of their garment even after they sold it. So, guys, what you are learning from what Lady Colin saying is, Oscar Rekisan Tofela Muta Tamakayona, but yo, we have no kikrele ko bolete khona ke ba bolele tswa antsa tsa so
Yeah.
la it ba go la it da denya ba go ba tsa so it's a luma ba tsa ba re papa it's a luma da go taste. Now they're saying they're setting themselves apart in the sense that they've got they don't just do a job or not tsamaya or finish the fire. They come they call you to say, is this what you expected?
Yeah.
Now, why do you do that? Little loser saga. Why is that important for you guys?
I mean, so santla a client ditla mo salon a ke ene like a tlamileng a khotsofetse ke na tore magatelang ko ntle ko, you know. So
Guys.
the client must be happy.
Guys, you know, I love this interview because you know, you are talking about things that are marketing 101, branding 101, sis, and you're talking about them in a layman way, sort of ba ko gae ba se utlwe.
Yes.
Tiro ya gago ke yone e tlo buelang ko
Yes,
pele.
it's true. Kannete.
Tiro e o editseng o se ka re no ke kerele Zaga ke sharp.
Yes.
Ke sharp. Because Zaga you're probably gonna box it and then you fail.
Yeah.
But how do you create sustainability for your business?
And you know, I mean, we cannot question God, but really, like, like, an official opening. We've been planning to do it. But we don't even have a month. I think we have 3 weeks for again.
Yeah.
But once or two kgotsofetse. Ba batla go salon ke bo mang o rile na le mo saloning so fela yana. So it's a good thing. You see hore batho ke bana ba re marketelang ko ntle go ha ba kgotsofetse.
Because you know why, ne? You are not selling the activities that you do in a salon.
Yes.
You are selling fulfillment. Because ga ke ya go salon, I want to come out being beautiful.
Yes.
I want to be fulfilled. I wanna le rekisetsa confidence. That's the business that you are in. You are selling us confidence. Go like, how give via? Ever know you have? I know.
Yeah.
You know, I'm good, and a lot of people are in the salon, are in the hair business,
Yes.
and you guys are not in the hair business. You are in a confidence business,
Yes.
and it's giving each and ordinary person that opportunity to have confidence, that opportunity to walk in the street, I feel like a human being. Because how often do we, you know, it comes to me. Sometimes I will wake up, and people must know all these things. I'll wake up and feel like I'm the worst person.
Yeah.
I'm not supposed to be alive.
It's true.
I'm not supposed to be living. You know, we get challenges that challenges us, all of us,
It's true.
all of us in the world. Like we've got, like, is that a Bakaitso? We can see portray because I about the donation. We can see no, but there are those days that were down, right? And when we have beauty parlors like yours, which you know in the USA, a lot of there was a study, by the way, by the Harvard Business School about why men are more open to. No, it was not about more open to that. It was about what secrets do barbers know about families. Because I'll go to a barber, and then it's my barber every time. It's cutting me, it's family. And I tell you, hey, no, I think that chick is cheating on me. You know, I think, hey, I don't. No, lichi guana rexi wa kudi babeng mahais. I think, you know, yesterday I was like, pa. And then after, macro king, I didn't do stangwana, kina give it. And then we get more advice from them. And there's a wealth of study that shows that that is the refuge for people. You understand? Because we all have got our issues.
Yeah.
You're right. And then you created a space not only to make people beautiful, to make people. You created like the way you define your business plan is about them getting their comfort and getting their how when they walk out of Lady Colleen and Fifi's beauty parlor, the chin must be up.
Yes.
Must be like, no, okay, no, I'm here.
Yeah.
You know, and I want to commend you for doing that, because big challenges is about not knowing what you're selling.
Yes.
You're just there. You don't know what you're selling. You're just moonlighting actually. Like, but no, who can say no? Who say what a Brazilian? I say Brazilian. When I go client, get Brazilian. I say Brazilian anymore. But when you know that you're not selling Brazilian, you're selling comfort to that client. So if that client is not comfortable, it matters to you.
It's true.
Guys, can you learn from this as business people? As a person who wanna be in business, I don't know what Gibbs style is actually. Gibbs language. No. No, you need to step in that side. Let me introduce him. Yeah, he's doing his MBA at Gibbs. MBA. And not just in any institution. Hey, go Gibbs, but he's doing his MBA at Gibbs. Right? And I want you to come in there as a because like I need something about your business too. It's a business. No, me, I'm surrounded by business people. I don't walk around like any. But I don't have time. I'm old. I've got 3 children. I've got Ranzu, who's 13 now. I must make sure that my things are in order. I've got Utomi, who's the controller, like she said, Denny. No. You can't do this. You have to act like this. And I've got this young one, Risma, my grandfather. So I gotta do. So I cannot be associating myself with people that Rokopana go Biring. Rokopana go Gibbs. Rokopana go Gipsy, Rokopana go Business Forum, Rokopana go. You know, there must be. And I'm not saying who go Biring is wrong.
Yeah.
Like guys, like I eat that thing. I eat that thing. So with your experience now as a like, introduce yourself, and then please mention that you are a Gibbs MBA student. No, you must understand this thing. Not ordinary people get accepted at Gibbs to do the MBA. Gibbs I want to relate like what Kenya and all those things of Gibbs is a prestigious institution. Please introduce yourself.
Thanks, Mr. Gentle. My name is Nkateko Hopjani. So, yeah, to be honest, I'm quite inspired by the approach into this show. And, I mean, speaking a lot about Gibbs, I think we need to talk to them, Chief. They need to sponsor this show also.
We'll talk to
We must speak to Prof about this. So yeah, literally, there's a lot in terms of official business language that we are learning, and then when you are sitting down here, there's a lot that you guys are already practicing. It takes a lot for someone to identify, like he was saying now, in terms of what is really your value proposition. So having the ability to identify that my value proposition is this. I know you try to put it and make sure that we can understand it. So there's a lot in terms of mental health. There's a lot in terms of how people are feeling. So I've actually was able to pick up all of that in within the comments from our host. So and one thing you need to take from this is that there's value beyond how you look after the session. In there, make sure that you speak to the people. If someone have some comments about something, just be wary of that they might be seeking refuge. Don't just brush it off. Some of the stuff you might actually contribute quite a lot beyond just the hair. But for me, I'm quite impressed about client satisfaction and the fact that people are able to come back and get their other treatments. So I actually might think of going there also.
For facial.
For facial.
It's some guy going for facial. I know. You must have a meeting. Guy. No, but you know, the reason I brought it to, so this is the friend of the show. He's gonna be here to put context to this because not everybody can have an opportunity to go to Gibbs. Yeah. We want to share what we are learning at Gibbs. Yeah. So that if like whatever that we learned go Gibbs, we are fortunate enough to be there. But those learnings, it's something that it's gonna build the community, and that's why it's gonna be here every day. As the friend of the show, in order for us to put that, we're even gonna have a segment, a Gibbs segment or a learning segment, where we're gonna encourage our. I mean, like at Gibbs, we've got contact with professors, a lot of people that have done a lot of things. I mean, like last week I was speaking about Dr. Megs. You know, the guy was a street kid. Now a professor. He was a CEO of big insurance companies. He teaches about personal mastery. It's above you. Guys. And that's what we need as people. I've got my brother Bongani. Is coming. You know, don't go over. It's coming. Greet to the people Bongani. You are coming next week. Your show is next week. It's from Pinagari. And I love what they're doing at Pinagari also. They are in a safety. You know. I love innovation. Yeah. The in a safety campaign things, but they don't go there and say, hey, let's get us all. Let's get. They work with some different minds. Yes. They don't. They teach safety through art.
Yes.
Maybe Bongani, introduce yourself and introduce a little bit of Pinagari so that people can know that next week by Lupina.
All right. Hello, listeners at home. I go by the name of Bongani, and I'm a manager of Pinagari. We're gonna be here next week with the CEO of Pinagari. Just a sneak peek. Ne? We do. Rather, we teach safety in the mining industry.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my brother. And people must look out to seeing us next week. So back, the spotlight must be back to the owners of the show today. Guys, this show today was sponsored, Shem. They sponsored a lady Colleen and Fif. Hey, one part is something make sure they get the high time. They didn't pay me. They paid the business lounge. No, they paid the business lounge like it's their show. So after hearing what Nkateko said about how you articulate the business and everything, how are you gonna go back and enhance this thing? No, you are in the right track, and then young like the customer that certification more. What is it that you guys are gonna early identify study market? Yes, we are set apart country, but in order to keep being ahead of everybody, what's your plan?
You know, I've learned that all my business in like you learn every day.
Yeah.
So it means from here, and re batle gore ka khotsofatsa eng di customers tsa rona go feta our clients and whatever go feta mo the way ntse re tsa ka teng. Like I said, we just opened the place, so yeah.
So with the location that you guys are in, hey, go thata go Steen. What was that location number? What's the location?
It's PN Street, like number 46.
Number 46 10th
Yes.
Street. So if you want to umoni man le dikolina DJ ka go, if wena wa tla lo mona fela. O mo tla le dikolina se di happys. I get la jajana is people, right? What's going on? Why port?
Yeah.
How about mo berekisa ya go Steen Street number?
Number 46.
Number 46 of that no ntshe happy say.
Yeah.
O tla ka yona ngwana go ga ina le khrof ka re ke lo tsela tse. O tla ka yona o tla
Then draft.
o tla itlhatswa ngwana go ga.
Yeah.
She will work for you if that what satisfies you. But what they're after is about creating value for you as the customer. Now, it's a new business.
Yeah.
If you were to ask for assistance, right?
Yeah.
We're the business lounge. Rana le matla. Rana le matla. No, let's get nyatsa. Rana le matla. Rana le matla. Rana le matla. You can take a call now. We'll make things happen.
Yeah.
What would you want to see happening as a support for you? What is the bigger challenges? And then how would you want to be supported? So that you can give us a target to say, Khalika influencer. Ara na le matla apele una le tlwaetse batho ba dipolitiki ba o tswang tšhelete. Re na le matla ya gore re influence batho ba na le tšhelete gore ba tsenye tšhelete mo e tshwantseng ene teng. E seng mo dimpeng tsa batho ba ba jang tšhelete ba ba di MMC tsa lona. Now, if you were to ask for assistance and you were to ask for support as a business, what kind of support do you think your business needs?
For now, like because I'm really busy small, so just to share the poster on like to get more clients for business here. I want to visit another place because that's what we want.
So how about I give you another live on air, another opportunity?
Yes, I'd love that.
I can give you 3 ads in Radio Mafisa
Okay.
every day for the next 2 weeks.
Wow, thank you.
And then we're gonna have our voice. We'll call her our voice. Really, she's gonna record your ad tomorrow,
No.
and then that ad is gonna run 3 times a day for 3 weeks
Wow.
about your salon, and it is about
Yep.
what I want you to do. You must go back and sit with Fifi
Yes.
and then say, what is it that you want people to know? What is it that you want people to say? And then if you are stuck a bit, you can always reach out to be saying, how can we construct the script? To be, so I want you guys to design your own script, to be saying, this is the script that, with the aim of pulling people to the current salon. So you gotta have a script that is less than 45 seconds. You gogela batho ko saloning. And that script is gonna run on the breakfast show, it's gonna run on the midday show, it's gonna run also on the drive.
Kiss cream.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. You know about that. You know about that. And then on top of that, I also want you guys to have an appointment with our graphic designer.
Wow.
And then so that you get your branding. Above that, I've got Just Trey. They're gonna come to your salon and take pictures of your salon, real pictures of your salon, create your so that you can use to create your profile. And then you have your own nice digital catalog that is gonna be sponsored by us as the business lounge with Just Trey. So we want this thing to be a success. We are in a revolution. Are more revolution in politics, guys. Are more revolution in business, black business. The way Afrikaner people build themselves, the way Jewish people are so united, we must learn from those people. Instead of hating them, instead of speaking bad about them, let's learn the skill to be saying, what powers do I have and what can I do with the power? So I'm unleashing the powers that I have. And this thing is happening. And we want to see that business succeeding. We want to see that, and it's going to succeed. We're going to support you, sis. We're going to support that business. Sort of things like, but no, people are waiting. It's a failing. You know, one of the best things that happened to me as a business person is the failures that happened to me. But the biggest failure that I appreciate now in front of people is the failure of Tlhabane Lifestyle Cafe. Because it takes away those things of but because you cannot laugh at me about Tlhabane Lifestyle. I got more money than you when you're laughing at me.
That's true.
You understand? So that we remove that failure, that fear of failure from people who we must think about trying. Guys, try. Do something, knock in doors. Just don't go and bash people in Facebook and do these wrong things, and then you're tinting your profile, you're tinting yourself. Be intentional. What's your purpose? What's your purpose? If your purpose is skewed, you're gonna do wrong things because you don't know what when you don't know your purpose. Because you don't have your purpose in life. So we as the business line, we want to build businesses, and we are gonna build businesses with or without the help of the government and the agencies, the government. If or no, they will stifle us about cherry power. Power alone. We don't need it. We'll do it ourselves. We built our businesses. No, we self-funded. Nobody funded us. But if you want to be in the right side of history, because your power is only 5 years, but how jigela for faction how you gonna lose? Your power is only 5. But do you want to be in the right side of history? What are you doing about your current responsibility? You know, by responsibility power. I've got power. You know, you don't have power. You got responsibility. Change that thing in your mind. You do not have power. How le MMC nyana o tshwako kai ba di MMC nyana tse di mo Rustenburg local anagli tsabe mo Rustenburg local municipality. I'm not scared of you. You will do nothing to me. Nothing. I'm not scared of you. You can come combined with your mayor. I'm not scared of you. If you think you've got power, you don't have power, you've got responsibility, and that responsibility you must challenge. As you the Gucci gang. What have you done to uplift the community? But Gucci people who want to. No, I'm not scared of you, Chance. And it will do nothing to me. You will do nothing to me. I need nothing from you people. I need you people to use the resources of the state to build our economy, to build our sisters, to build our brothers. You are sitting there, busy, and then there's nothing that you're doing. What have we to go? There's something to go here, and then now you're busy. We're now busy with useless things here. That's not your power. As matter how. It's not your power, and then I am not scared as Gentleman Chopin. I'm not scared. And if you think you're going to censor me and read my face, I will have YouTube. Bring it on. I'm not scared of these people. We must uplift our communities, man. We have got these people that are being worshipped for nonsense. For nonsense. When our sisters need funding, they need to have a saloon ailing state of the art. Useless. If you want to come for me, number 4 on Village tomorrow, you will find me there. That's my business. You'll do nothing to me. Good night.
Good night, folks.
When you set your standards or you set your boundaries, people are going to say, oh, you think you're all that. I am. And I don't care. I am. And I don't need you to make me feel like I am. I'm going to set this standard, and I'm going to live by this standard. And I'm not going to let anybody come into my life, not even be a business partner, not be a marriage partner, not be a girlfriend, boyfriend, and pull me down to where you are.